Hey guys, sarferaaz here, welcome back to this channel. What is even the purpose of waking up every day in the morning, getting ready for college and going to the classroom and sitting with boredom and sleepiness and coming back home? What is even the purpose? And if your intention is to make your college days interesting, this is the right video for you. So before you get into this video, if you're coming here the first time and you're looking for ways to become the best ever version of yourself and gain amazing levels of knowledge, you have come to the right place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for new videos every week, and without wasting any more time, let's get into the video right now.
Everybody talking but they coming to the shows. Pull up in the rows, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking but they coming to the shows. Pulling up, being on swerving.
So while you were in school, you would have gained a lot of knowledge about the subjects which you chose. For example, computer science or commerce or pure science, whatever. And when you enter college, that learning would have gone to the next level. Like the lessons would have become big, the concepts would have become more professional, and you have to be able to think more and all those stuff. But when you enter the real world, things are going to be very different and professional as well. In that time, having only a ton of knowledge won't be useful at all. You might have learned a lot of things about business and marketing and sales or customer satisfaction, everything. But unless you get into a business or actually start one, you won't know everything about entrepreneurship. So that is why I said learning how things really work is very important. There is no better place than college to meet new people and make new friends. Because college is a place where you'll be exposed to a lot of different people who are from different backgrounds, cultures, languages, or even maybe different countries. By that way, you can't miss this opportunity of building your network. Who knows, you could meet a future billionaire, a business magnate, an athlete, or a supermodel. No one knows what's gonna happen and who you'll meet in your life. Of all the aspects of college life, your health should always be a priority. Because only if you have good health, you will be able to do everything that you plan or that you want to do. If your health is holding you back, you can do nothing else than struggle. You need that bit of nutrition, you need that bit of exercise. Just 5 or 10 push-ups or squats per day is enough. That is better than not doing anything. If you feel like going for a checkup, just go for it. And this is mostly for the hostelites. I've not been in a hostel, but I know what my friends and classmates go through. And there is something more important that I would like to share with you. Please don't spoil your health for the purpose of appearances and looks. Appearances are definitely going to fade away in the long term. But what about your health? That has to be a priority from the first. So when it comes to health, there is a proper way of doing everything. For example, losing weight by not eating food properly and gaining weight by eating whatever the shit you want is definitely not advisable. So always remember, when it comes to health, there is always a right way of doing everything. So when it comes to college, maintaining a good connection with your professors is really important. Staying in touch with all the professors you come across is definitely not possible, but you'll have that 1 or 2 professors who are the most favorite for you. That is enough. So what will happen is that this could develop into a good mentor and student relationship. First up, you'll learn a lot of things that you won't find in any book or material. And secondly, you'll gain a lot of experience just by being around them. It is always said that money should be spent sensibly, and that is 200% true. Investing in yourself is more than just acquiring stocks and bonds. When you make conscious decisions to invest in your financial well-being, health, career, and interest, you set yourself up for success in the future. So do we think of spending money for going for a movie or buying a dress or eating outside? No, right? Then why do we think so much for buying an online course or attending a seminar or a conference? So always remember, building yourself is more important than entertainment. Alright friends, it is time for a small recap of this video. So I hope that this video is very useful for you. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts about this video and how is your college life going. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and drop your comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for new videos every week. Until next time, stay happy, stay motivated, and believe in yourself.